1,117 miles from Lagos to London. 7 hours on the flight. 48 minutes on the tube train. I left my home in search of electricity. First thing about Lagos, it is busy. Iya Sàámú, ṣé dáadáa ni? That is how we greet in Lagos. And Mama Sàámú will answer at the other end of the road. Àlàáfíà ni o, ó ń bọ́ bú o, ó ń bọ́ bú o. It is indeed bubbly. It is louder over there, as if the hair goes longer onto the sound wave. The second thing about Lagos, the people are happy. Ẹ̀yọ̀ o, aráyé ẹ̀yọ̀ o, ẹ̀yọ̀ bàbá ń ta wá, òbí góòlù ṣeré, a ò ní sanwó níbodè, òdìlé. Did I say they are happy? They are happy. They literally shout it. Yéyé mi pé mi sọ fún mi tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀. Èkó àkété ìlú ọgbọ́n. Ò bá dúró kò ṣọ́ra kò tún ra mú. They are happy about everything except facilities. Don't go there. I speak a lot of Yoruba language. I write poems in Yoruba. I work with local filmmakers. But there is a problem. Electricity. Don't mention it. I did a lot of work. I wanted people to see. All of a sudden, they cannot see it. What you present to the people, they are not enjoying it. Imagine now, just for you to imagine, as we are all seated here, and suddenly, thank you, darkness. You will be unhappy? No. Over there, one day, 2 days, 3 days, they do not have electricity. They use generator. Those who can afford it. Those who cannot afford it, they light candle. The people want entertainment, music, film, theater. But when I arrived here, I discovered I will have better opportunities in this electric city.